Valley Storm Team forecast.
All right, let's take a look at satellite radar because right now there you can see that high pressure system that is going to continue to dominate our weather conditions, not only in the valley, but also across the entire state of Texas. But there's something that I want to point out. We have a cool air mass as a result of the passage of that cold front that passed on Sunday. And this is why we have had so many pleasant conditions today here in the valley. And over the next 24 hours, looking at Futurecast, what we're going to see, or what you can expect, is basically more of the same. Clear skies tonight, a few clouds rolling through portions of the shoreline in the early morning hours, and then on Tuesday afternoon, a few more clouds may actually make their way through portions of the lower valley as well. However, I am not forecasting any rain or precipitation for the valley for the next 24 hours. Now, let's take a look at those low temperatures for tonight. We're going to have mostly clear skies. So when we have mostly clear skies, that is a perfect recipe for having these temperatures go down to those low 40s and mid 40s. 44 for the city of Harlingen and Weslaco, 40 for South and Roma with 41. So basically the entire valley is going to see those very low temperatures, and even along the shoreline, temperatures will be dropping to those 46 degrees in the city of Bayview, so you better get those jackets ready tomorrow morning. Now, why are we getting these very cold temperatures at this time of the year? There are several reasons. The first one, I just showed it to you. We have a cold air mass in the region lingering after the passage of the front, but also we have what is known as the polar vortex, which is always located in the northern portions of Canada. However, sometimes it gets weaker or it gets disrupted. And when this happens, that cold air basically plunges down south, and we get it here in South Texas. And this is why we're having these temperatures being in those 40 degrees tomorrow morning. Now, the highs for Tuesday are going to be a little bit more warmer. However, still in that comfortable classification. We're going to see temperatures across the valley in those 70 and 80 degrees, 78 for Harlingen and Weslaco, 80 for the city of La Jolla and Rio Grande with 82. However, mostly comfortable conditions and gorgeous conditions with sunny skies across the valley tomorrow. Now, the winds are going to decrease later tonight, but also will be increasing again on Tuesday morning and the afternoon. We're going to see those wind gusts increasing to up to 20 to 28 miles an hour in portions of the island. So if you have any decorations outside, or if you're already beginning to decorate for Thanksgiving, you might want to pull those back inside at least for the next 2 to 3 days. Now, taking a look at the 7-day forecast, check these conditions out. We're going to see temperatures increase little by little, especially after Wednesday. 86 degrees, mostly sunny skies. And then by the weekend, we're going to see temperatures almost reaching 90 degrees by Saturday, with a slight chance of rain of up to 20% and mostly or partly clouded skies, because we're actually waiting for the arrival of another